up, YouTube? This is one of the projects we got going on. It's a 1995 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Give you guys a little walk around. As you can see, it's a two-door and it has fiberglass fenders front and back. It's sitting on 33s, 12.5 on 15-inch rims. It's a 4.0 6-cylinder inline, 5-speed transmission, AX15. So what we've done so far, we've welded in the Hooligan off-road frame stiffeners front to back. This is the middle section. This is the rear section. I noticed a pretty big difference in how stable the Jeep is now. All these 97 and up doors. It gets rid of the little quarter window right here. Power windows and locks. We got them to work. We're working on making the power mirrors. I got another set at home that we're gonna install. Right now it's all gutted, but we're gonna wrap line the floor, and once we get that done, we're gonna install the dashboard. No back seats. We're gonna cage the interior also. That's my spare tire right now. Got a mess back here, but I don't really drive it. These seats are off of a 4-door, and I got them to work and recline and everything. Use my brackets off of the 2-door XJ seats. Also, the shift knob is off of a Dakota truck with the AX15. It just puts the shift knob higher than the stock one. Under the hood we have the 4.0 6-cylinder inline engine, stock. It has a upgraded intake manifold, 62mm throttle body, little junkyard intake. I also upgraded the fan with the newer one with more blades. Deleted all the AC components. As you can see, I cut out some little plates off of aluminum, just capped it off over there because all that heat was going inside. And the plan is to replace it with the junkyard 5.3 LS engine and NV 3500 out of a S10. Just a little budget LS swap. The rear end was swapped out with the 8.8 rear end. It gives us rotors instead of drum brakes. We got the Iron Rock off-road kit, truss kit. The tube's been welded to the housing, you can see. And we geared it to 456s with the posi. True track. So I think it should be good enough for the LS. We also have a 30-gallon tank that we're gonna swap in. That's pretty much it. So there it is, guys, a little walk around of the Cherokee XJ project we got going. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.